What's happening in your community?
Hello and welcome to Wadadi Billboard. I'm your presenter, Sanji Spencer. The Liberta community will hold its first reunion from December 26th to 29th, January 1st. Activities begin with an opening ceremony and food fair on December 26th, followed by an early morning hike and breakfast the next day. A social evening and concert will also be held on December 27th. There will also be a community service day on December 28th, while December 29th will feature a banquet and awards dinner. A church service will take place on December 30th, and New Year's Eve will see sports and games held, followed by a picnic on January 1st. Anyone with a connection to Liberta, which by the way is the first free village after emancipation, is invited. Registration is now open at Hope Institute for grades 2 to 5 and forms 1 to 3 students, as well as for the after-school assistance program Mondays to Thursdays. New students registration is $20, and please note that registration closes on Monday, 31st December 2012. Classes, however, will resume on Monday, 7th January 2013. The Quesada Gardens Methodist Church invites you to an afternoon of Christmas music on Sunday, 30th December 2012 at 4:30 p.m., featuring the Antigua and Barbuda Defense Force Band and Panache Steel Band. An offering will be taken towards church development. Project Hope Community Resource will be accepting new students for its adult literacy class. Classes resume on Monday, 7 January 2013 for adults who are interested in improving their reading. The registration period is January 2nd to 7th, 2013 for current as well as new students, and the class is free. However, there is a registration fee of $75. Stop by the center on Hawkins Drive in Quesada Gardens to register, or you may call 561-3999 if you need more information. The Antigua and Barbuda Ex-Servicemen Association will hold its annual general meeting on January 5th at 3 p.m. at the Red Cross headquarters on Old Parham Road. All members are requested to make an effort to attend. Call 561-1062-720-0058 or call 721-1970 for more information. The Good News Chorale presents Give Him the Highest Praise, a gospel concert at the Old Road Seventh-day Adventist Church on January 5th, starting at 7:30 p.m. sharp. Artists include the Potters Youth Group, District 8 Singers, God's Army, Children's Choir, Brothers Leonard Josiah, and Wilmead Price. The event is open to the whole family and admission is free, but a soft offering will be collected. The management of the Antigua and Barbuda Hospitality Training Institute would like to inform the general public that the Atlantic View restaurant will be closed to the public for the Christmas break until Monday, January 21st, 2013. All are kindly asked to take note. And now for a look at our employment notices. A full-time business development officer is needed. He or she is required to have an SME business plan development and to be computer literate. Also desirable is experience in credit services, marketing, product development, and working with youth and women. The position offers a competitive salary. For further information, contact employment@gardc.org. A full-time project manager with experience in project management and budgeting is needed. He or she must also be highly computer literate. Also desirable is experience in the NGO sector, log frame use, and working with youth and women. The position offers a competitive salary. For further information, contact employment@gardc.org. NCO Antigua is recruiting customer service representatives. NCO offers full-time schedules with attractive packages. Apply online at www.ncogroup.com/careers. Suitably qualified applicants may call 481-3900 or 481-3901 or 481-3902 if they require additional information. For more details on the jobs mentioned today, check www.antigua.gov.ag and click on the employment link. This has been Wadadi Billboard. If you'd like us to announce your community or employment notices, Please email us at newmediaantigua@gmail.com a week prior to your scheduled event. And remember, you can also find us at www.antigua.gov.ag. I'm Sanji Spencer, and see you next time on Wadadli Billboard.
What's happening in your community?